we've been looking at pocket survival kits, and as I wait for some other stuff to come in, I thought I'd look at this little Orion Search and Rescue Whistle Mirror Kit, and I would consider this a pocket survival kit, and it's geared toward being on the water. So let's look at it and see what's in it. Now, I don't know about you, but I know the Orion name from flares. They make flares for the boat, and down around here on the Gulf Coast, they're very common. They're ubiquitous. You can even find them in Walmart, little marine flares, boat flares. But they also make this more low-tech type of signaling device for your boat. But you know, there's no rule that says this is just for the boat, because what we've got here is a whistle, and then we've got a signaling mirror, and it's like the signal mirror that you see in the other types of survival kits, especially the military themed ones. And it consists of a mirror, and it's already got or it has a plastic coating on there to protect the mirror surface, so it's not as shiny as it would be if I peeled it off, but I'm not going to peel it off. And then on the other side, it has the view hole, and it has instructions, which is always good, on how to use this mirror, because you have to be able to shine the reflection of the sun onto the plane or the boat or the whatever it is that you're trying to signal. Made in USA. I like that. I didn't see that before. And then it also has the whistle. And of course, we're going to try the whistle right now. Wow, that is a good whistle. And it's peeless, and it's nice and flat, and it's just as good a whistle as any I've seen. Now, the thing comes with two lanyards, one for the signaling mirror, and then it comes with a lanyard for the whistle, which, you know, I would want to put them together, but that's fine. So, there's not much to see here except for it's a high decibel whistle, unbreakable mirror with viewfinder and lanyard. And this I got at Academy for $6.99. That's not terrible. I mean, sure, you can usually get these items inside of a really good survival kit, but if this is the kind of stuff you're getting just to kind of upgrade your survival kit, whether it be on boat or for something for, you know, to go in your pocket when you're out hiking, this is a good thing to have. And like I said, it's the Orion Search and Rescue Whistle Mirror Kit. Hey, that was a quick one. Thanks for watching.